Hey guys, what is going on here? Exploring with JP here, and today I'm bringing you guys a cool lightning video that happened near my city, and I'm sharing this with you guys because I think it's honestly awesome. Hope you guys enjoy, and hope you guys have a good day. JP signing out.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys later. Take it easy, guys.